I felt like my life improved by coming here, so I also wanted that the community or other people's lives improves because this hotel exists. I've been here 26 years. It was a $2 a bed hotel that we changed into having private rooms. Before, it was just a desert. It was just rocks with a few scrubs. So the previous owner had put some dirt down and planted a lawn. We added a little piece at the end there and planted all these succulents. And we put all the flowers. I just love beauty and I love nature. Amor de Mar is a small hotel and we keep it very personal. We only have 9 rooms and then the 2 villas. It's very cozy and very homey, very artistic, very individual. The villas used to be our home and our kids grew up here. Villas have a kitchen, fully equipped kitchen with everything because the villas are actually really big. Because it's a very special location, beautifully situated. Also the way we run it, that is so personally oriented and know all our guests by name. We get a lot of families because it's very family friendly. Parents can relax in the hammock and the kids have a big lawn to play in. And then also honeymoon couples. We have a spa here with Cecilia, who's the massage therapist. And she offers several different massages as well as wraps and clay treatments. It's a beautiful location. They are right close to the water. We have the tide pool in the rocks, which in low tide is like a little lake with little fish in it and very popular with the kids, but even adults love it. We serve breakfast and lunch. Our breakfast is really well known because we make our own bread. And everything we do is homemade. All the vegetables and salads is always organic. There's so many local artists here and so I employ them to either make me something or I buy things from them. So I like to add these personal touches. Claudia from Kabuya, she's a lady from Switzerland. All the lamps I have pretty much are from her. And they're very original, from either shells or paper, even dried up coconut leaves. Then Jörg, he's a German artist. He creates images from nature and they're just really beautiful and so alive. Not exactly in town, but we're just like a 5-minute walk from the center of town. The beaches closest to us are between 5 and 10-minute walk. So the river is a great place to swim, and up the river 15 minutes is just a Montezuma waterfall with a huge pool. We have also a yoga studio, one of the best on the peninsula, right next to us. Really look that the hotel benefits the community. That's very important for me. So I want to support the local artists as well as people who make things like jams. We buy the jams from a local lady. I found this guy who had he said, well, I have a few eggs, but not enough. I said, oh, why don't you start? I will buy your eggs. And now it's like a thriving business. The attention to detail and love that goes into the place. That's probably what makes it most special.